Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for you guys. This is for the month of June 2019. I did get some add-ons, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's jump in and get started. So the theme this month is Welcome to the Block Party. Ipsy decided to celebrate Tetris's, I believe, 30th or 35th anniversary. We have a book showcasing the products that we received in our box. So let's check it out. I will start with the big item in the box, and this was an add-on for me. Some people actually just straight up received this in their box. I went ahead and I paid the $12 for it because I felt it was well worth it. This is the huge CEO Vitamin C Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley. 50 grams, $12. Excellent price point because I think this retails for $68 at Sephora. So I want to get my hands on this and give it a try because I've really been into taking care of my skin and I like to use higher end products. So I wanted to see what this was all about. My other add-on here was a Smashbox palette. I went ahead and I added on the Smashbox Cover Shot Prism Eye Palette. I got this for $12. These colors looked like they were right up my alley. Let me see if I can pop it open for you guys. It's slippery. So yeah, those colors are gorgeous and right up my alley. So I had to have this. Excellent value for 12 bucks. So I was really happy with my add-ons this month. What I wasn't happy with is what my actual box came with. I mean, Ipsy, it's priced pretty fairly. It's about $25 for the Glam Bag Plus. I just wish that we would get more brands that we've heard of. A lot of these brands I'm not familiar with. I did get a Trestique product this month in BoxyCharm as well as Glam Bag Plus. So this is the Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon from Trestique. We'll pop that open so I can show you guys what it looks like. Like, I'm not familiar with Trestique, but it seems to be popping up in a lot of these subscription boxes. So if you pop the top off, you have like a lip liner lipstick, and then the bottom is a lip balm. So it is a double-sided product, so you are getting two products for the price of one. Color I'm not too keen on. I have my profile set to nudes. I tend to get a lot of colors that I wouldn't typically wear with Glam Bag Plus. But that color I might give it a try towards the fall. We also got a Suva eyeliner pencil along with the eyeliner. This had over a $20 value. I mean, I can't go wrong with eyeliner. But, like I said, I want more brands that I've actually heard of in my box. I really wish that Ipsy would get it together. Put in more brands that I've heard of. So, once again, another brand I've never heard of. This is the Apto Healing Mask with turmeric. And this thing, oh, I don't even know if I want to put this on my face. It's yellow. It's kind of gross looking, and it doesn't smell the greatest either. So this is the Apto Healing Mask. So, I mean, I enjoy masking. I use a lot of masks and that. I should have a Glam Glow mask coming up in my empty soon. So I will put this into rotation and give it a try, see what it's about. I mean, that's what these Glam bags and BoxyCharms are all about for me. I want to try new products. I want to try products I typically wouldn't have bought myself. And I want to do it at a discounted rate. So a lot of people were raving about this. This is the 111 Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This has like over $100 value, which is insane. Chances are it's probably just overpriced for what it is. Like, do I honestly think that this serum is worth $100 and some odd? Absolutely not. I think they just mark their prices high and then they partner with companies like Ipsy, Glam Bag. I think I might have even seen this brand on the Outlook website. So I think they do run discounts and that. because I definitely wouldn't buy $100 and some odd serum unless it was a brand I was really familiar with. So this tends to be the big item in the box. I was happy that I got this one. This is the Tetra Ipsy Block Party. There are a couple variations to this. Let's see if I can pop it out of the sleeve. I did get the purple variation. I am all about purple eyeshadow, so I was really glad that they must have paid attention to my profile for this one. Because I'll wear all those colors besides the blue. And I might even wear the blue, so I was really happy that I got this eyeshadow palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.